Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, it's the day after number 5000. Today on Friday, August the 12th, 2022. I'm a little bit behind, but it's almost weekend. We have here in this daily newspaper two regular puzzles, Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy. We have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you. Okay, come on. Letter Sudoku we have here. A letter Sudoku, 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudoku. Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, and the binary. Those puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. It's too much for me. And yesterday, yes, was also very a lot of time, a lot of editing with the 5000. Yes, the day after 5000 took me more time to edit, especially with music. But we have here two regular puzzles. First one, Sudoku Light number 5001. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 36 printed digits. Each big square, we have 9 big squares, has 4 printed digits. So 4 times 9, 36. Should be an easy one, because if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, the 1 star has 27 printed digits, this one 36, so I must solve this faster than 15 minutes. Maybe 13 or 14 minutes. We will see. Let me see. Let's get started. Okay, start with the one. Okay, the one in this column, the one in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the one should be there. The one in this row, the one in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the one should be there. The one in this column, the one in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the one should be there. The one in the first column, the one in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the one should be here or there. We see here one in the last row, so no one there. One should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see digit number one. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Number 2. We have a 2 in the third row, the 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Then. Well, seems like I'm stuck with it. Nope. The 2 in the third column. 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. The 2 in the last row. The 2 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the last column. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And now I'm stuck with the 2. Yeah, I cannot continue with the 2 because We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So the 2 could be here also or there. So I need more information, otherwise I cannot continue with the 2. The 3 then. Let me see with the 3. Only 1 3. Yeah. Will be difficult. I have only 1 3. The 4 then. Yeah, the 4. 1 2 3 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below the middle row. So in that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the third row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. Right. Can I count? Yes. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Now I can continue with the 2. Yeah, now I can continue. Because, look, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row. So no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be here. So we have a 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the middle row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 2. How about the 3? Still cannot continue with the 3. We have only 1 3. Alright. Well, yeah, will be difficult. For the 5 then, let me see the 5, okay, 3 5 5 5. Well, will be difficult, but we have a solution. We have 4 5s. Okay, so we have a 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between, the middle row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. So let me mark those. And look, we have here 3 5s. 3 boxes. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here a 5 in the last row, so no 5 in this box. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. Okay. Well, I cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. Okay, the 5. How about the 6 then? We have a 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. We see here 6 in this column, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. We have a 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 6. Alright. How about the 5? 5. Still, I cannot continue it. Well, not true. Let me go back to the 5. We have here 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the third row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the only place left for the 5 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. Now we have a 5 in this row. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be the 5. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5. Okay. And still, well, maybe I can do something with the 3. We have here 2 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Here, we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. And I cannot place the 9. No, I need more information, so let me mark those 2 boxes with a 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9. Okay. Here we have also 2 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this big square for the number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. Okay, here we have also 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. Here also 1 box left in this big square for the number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. And we have all, no, not all the 7s. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 6, number 7. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. That means we have here, up here, 3 and 8. Means one box left in the third row. That number is the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. Two numbers left in this big square. Four numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. We have here one box left in this row for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Now we have an 8 here. I've marked these two boxes with a 3 and an 8. We have an 8 in this column, so this box cannot be an 8 anymore. So that box should be an 8, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 here. Oh no, now we have an 8 here. I've marked those two boxes with a 3 and an 8. Now we have an 8 here in the third row. So this box can be 8 anymore. This box should be a 3. And that box should be an 8. 3 in this row. 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. One box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Fine, no two numbers in this big square for the numbers 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finished in, well, 70 minutes. But I've done this not too fast. It's for the people who need more time to solve. But I like this one, yes. I like this Sudoku Light. It's not quite very light, but I like this one, yes. Anyway, thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute for the Sudoku Heavy. Until then, bye bye for now.